gentlemen, I know it's been a couple weeks. I need to go ahead and make another video to show you guys I was still around. This time we're going to be talking about the Master 570. Here's the key for it. And I'll show you, this is a key retaining lock. So when you turn it this way and open it, you're not getting the key back. You actually have to lock it to remove the key from the keyway. I don't think we need this key. Let's try it without. To pick it, I'm going to be using a Mad Bob's pry bar. And hopefully just a Mad Bob's standard hook. Let me go ahead and get this in focus so you can actually read the logo on it. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring along a Mad Bob's DeForest ball just in case I have problems. This particular lock requires that you have the hook set precisely or you're not getting anywhere with it. I realize this. I'm going to try to deal with it as best I can. Okay, let's put a light to moderate tension on the lock. Let's go ahead and that was pin 4, 5 or 4. It actually set. I feel like pin 1 is binding if I can get on it. There we go. Pin 1. Feels like pin 3. Got a fault set. Let's see, go back. Let's see. This pick is a little twisted right now. I've been playing around with it. I decided, I'm scared of bending these things, but I paid the money for it. I may as well enjoy my counter rotation on 4. Maybe. Hold on. Get my fault set. I'm getting a counter rotation here. Slide. Pry bar sliding out. Let's start over. 4 minutes in, my pry bar falls out. Let's just start over. Okay. Put a little bit more pressure on it. That was 4, 3. That was 2, I believe. Yeah. One. Let's see. 3 again. and we have an open. Drop my pry bar, we have an open. Let's go ahead and put the key on this since we're done with it. And let's close it up. Let me get the pry bar off the table, and let's close this lock up. We are done with the Master 570. Picked in less than 6 minutes.